back. Take the sketch tool, click on the top plane. So I'm just going to rotate this plane and sketch here. First I'm going to draw this baseline, give its dimension. The dimension is 41.2 mm. 41.2. Connect the midpoint of this line to this line. Then I'm going to draw this outline. So there is a straight line at the end of this line. Draw a line like this. Then you draw a straight line, vertical line like this. Then something like this, and one more horizontal line till here. And I'm going to give it dimension. So take the smart dimension. So here the angle is 26.9. So with the angle between these two lines, 26.9. Here it is 26.9. Then the total length is 77.5 given here. Smart dimension from here to here, it is 77.5. Then from here to here it is 51.7. From here to this point it is 51.7. Then here it is half distance, 46.3. Here is 46.3 divided by 2, 23.15. So this is the shape. And here also we can 41.2. I'm going to just delete this line. I'm going to construct a half line from here. The dimension is 41.2 divided by 2, which is 20.6. Then I'm going to use the select command. Here they have given the radius as 41 in these two. Enter the radius as 41. Then here they have given the radius as 26. Then select, enter the radius 26 between these two lines. And the dimensions are going to change. Then here they have mentioned the radius as 14. We will take the radius as 14, click between these two lines. Okay, so this is the final shape. And here also they have mentioned the radius as 19. Radius 19 between these two. Okay, then you can select all these lines. Then use the mirror command, click on this axis. This is the outline. Then we are going to draw this. Okay, inside curve. I'm going to take a circle. Here they have given the radius as 5.2. I'm going to mention the radius as 5.2. The diameter will be 10.4. Just draw just two circles like this. Then I'm going to use the equal command. Make these two circles equal in diameter. Then I'm going to use the smart dimension. So the dimension here it is 10.4 diameter, radius 5.2. Then I'm going to use the rectangle. I'm going to just go in here. Just draw a rectangle like this. Then use the tangent command. Tangent between these two circles like this. Trim command. Trim this additional line inside circle and this additional line. Then they have given the distance at 26. From this center it will be 26 by 2. Give the dimension from this line to the center point of this circle, which will be 26 divided by 2, 13. Then here it has given 44.7. Okay, divided by 2. Distance between this line and this center is 54.7 divided by 2. Okay. Then we do get its height. So we'll take the height from here. Then between this line and this pentagon. Here we can give on this side. Okay. The height is 51.7. 51.7 plus another thing is 32.5. 32.5 plus from here it is 7.5 1 plus 7.1 plus from there it is 20.1. 20.1. So that's the height. Oh, but so it changes the dimension. So I'm going to put the control Z. First I'm going to again fix this dimension. From here to here the height is okay 129 this two addition. Then I'm going to change this dimension. Okay. So the dimension is 51.7 plus 32.5 plus 7.1 plus 20.1. Okay. Then what we can do here, we can select the tool, select this, okay, along with this. Then use the mirror command and mirror on this side. So this one is over. Then we are going to draw the center circle in the center. Here the radius is given as 13. Enter the radius as 13. So on this line, like this, draw. On this line, like this. We draw two circles. Use the rectangle command. Draw a big rectangle like this. Use the equal command. Make these two circles equal. I'm going to use the dimension command. I'm going to dimension this circle. Radius 30, diameter 26. Then use the tangent command. Use the tangent relationships between these lines and circle. Use the trim command. Okay, in the inside circle, outside line, like this. Okay, then we need to give the dimension. It's at the center. From the height, it is the smart dimension, the distance between line and this bottom center. Okay, we need that. So I'm going to give it here. From there, it is 51.7, 51.7. Then it is 32.5, 32.5 plus. From here it is 7.1, 7.1. That's it. Then the distance between this circle and the midpoint of this circle. This one is 7.1 plus 28.5. 7.1 plus 28.5. That's it. Okay, this one is over. Now we are going to construct this inside circle. We have given the radius as 5.2. Here it is 7.2, which is the outer circle. So the inside circle is radius 5.2. So take a circle, make the radius 5.2. Then construct the circle like this. One, like straight, another one. Then use the equal command. I'm going to equal these two circles. Then take the rectangle command. Draw the rectangle. Use the tangent command. Make these two circle and lines tangent. Use the trim command in this additional line, inside line. Okay. Then use the smart dimension command. Then they have given the distance center 54.7 from here to here. Okay. This is 54.7 divided by 2. Sorry. So before that, we'll give the dimension here. Fix on circle dimension. Okay. Then we change this dimension. 54.7 divided by 2. Okay. So then we need to fit the vertical distance. This is the smart dimension from here, okay, to the dimension till this bottom circle. Okay. This one is same 51.7 plus here it is exactly this one 32.5 plus 32.5. Okay. Then from there it till here it is 7.1. From here it is 28.9. The distance between this one and this midpoint. This one is okay, here 28.9. 28.9. Okay. Then you can select this. Use the mirror. The mirror this side. Click on this one. It will be mirrored. Now we are going to finish this one. Use the circle. Here they are given the radius as 5.8. Use the radius 5.8. Draw a circle like this. Okay. Then use the equal command. Make these two circles equal. Then give dimension to one circle. Okay. 11.6, which will be the diameter. Use the rectangle. Use the tangent command. Use the trim command. Then do the dimension. Here you can click the 20. It's from here to distance, which will be 10. And the distance between this circle and the midpoint of this circle will be 20. Then the distance we will give from here. Okay. So this smart dimension. From this circle, you can take either from this circle midpoint it is 42.3. This circle and this circle midpoint distance, which is 42.3, like this. So now we need to draw this shape. They have given it as a phi. Okay, there is a gap of phi between these two lines. We are going to use the offset command. We are going to use a single here. The distance is 5 mm offset. Then select this line. I'm going to select this line. Then this line, this line, this one. Then this might be not necessary. Okay, till here it is offset. Then okay, you can click it here. Okay, on this step. So like this. Okay. So then we need to offset other things. So again, take the offset command. Again, 5 mm distance. It's the single. So use this circle offset and going to offset this also for 5 mm. Click on this side, offset, get lower. Again, take the offset command for 5 mm. Again, single. I'm going to offset this one. Okay. Then okay. Offset. Again, offset command. Single. I'm going to offset this thing, and this one. Okay, for 5 mm. Outside. Then again use the offset command for 5 mm. Again, single. I'm going to offset this one for 5 mm. Then they have given the radius wherever it's not given. We need to take it as a offset as 5, radius 5. So use the fillet command and so the radius as 5. Okay, I'm going to fill this here. This one and this one. We need to fix the radius as 5. One thing. Then here and this line radius is 5. Those two are over. Then coming here. This one and this one radius is 5. Then here. Okay. So here to here the radius is 5. Then we need to draw a line here, vertical line, draw a vertical line like this. Use the trim command. Just trim this like this. Remove the circle, remove the horizontal line. Okay, so trim here. Okay, and do the distance between this and this is 5. Okay, the distance is 5. Okay. Then use this select command, enter the radius as 5. Here also there is the final radius, here to here, 5. Take the command, select these two lines, enter the radius as 5. One thing here also, enter the radius as 5. And then use the trim option, remove this extra. Okay, this is over. We need to select this, select all these lines. Don't select any dimensions. Okay. And then use the mirror command, mirror it to the vertical axis like this. Then it's 7.2, here it is 5.2, radius is 5.2, radius is 7.2, 7.2 radius minus radius 5.2, which will be 2 mm. Use the offset command for distance of 2 mm and use the chain option. Select this, use it to offset outside. Okay. Again same offset, same 2 mm. Offset this for another 2 mm. Okay. Like this. And finish it. So I think we have drawn everything. So now we need to use, I'm going to click return and finish the sketch. So this is the sketch we have here. Okay. We have a sketch now. So yeah. Then use the protrusion command. Select the outside line inside this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And we can use the protrusion command. Then it's from the top you can see the protrusion is 10 mm thickness. You can make it as a 10 like this and finish. Okay, like this. And this is the AA section, and we have a section here. As we can see here, it's a 10 mm total protrusion, but here it is inside is 4 mm, outside depth of 23 mm. Okay, so at this point section AA, when you compare it like this, here it is a gap. There is a total material on this side. Yeah, there is a removal here to material. It's about 3 mm only. Remove 3 mm on either sides, both sides. Okay, we need to remove it. So then here also it is there. Okay, there's the entire hole, but this one 7.2 mm diameter circle we need to remove it for 3 mm. So use the cutout command. Select this one, then outside, this one and outside. Okay, you can use the cutout command, and the distance is 3 mm on the bottom side, and click on finish. So it's done here. Then I think we can hide all the sketches. Then there's one more thing. So as you can see here, okay, here it's fine, but in the 3D, it's the cut is like they have used the fillet command here. Okay, we can use a fillet. Use the fillet command here. Radius is like the 3 mm distance we have given. You can maintain the 3 mm radius and select this and this and preview and finish. This might be optional. Okay, it's not visible in this sectional view. It's totally square. Then we need to mirror this on the bottom side also. The material is removed at the bottom side. So what we can do here, I need to, for mirroring I need a center plane here. So I'm going to create a plane there using parallel plane command. Parallel plane command, select this plane, use the distance as 5 mm. The bottom side, I'm going to create it on the bottom side. So bottom side we have created a plane for mirroring. So then use the mirror copy feature. Then I'm going to switch to smart copy. Then I'm going to select this cutout and round for mirroring. Then this accept. Then select this bottom side plane and it will be mirrored on the bottom side and finish. So now I'm going to hide all the sketches and all the custom prints. If you remove the border lines, this is how it's going to look. So I'm doing the isometric view. This is isometric view. And it's almost same here. Same thing in isometric view. Okay.